Welcome to The Hidden Truth, where we uncover the stories they don't want you to know. The future of warfare isn't on the horizon. It's unfolding right now. Autonomous, AI-powered weapons, capable of identifying, tracking, and eliminating targets without human intervention, are no longer confined to science fiction. They are becoming a battlefield reality. Governments and defense contractors are in a race to perfect AI-driven arsenals. From drone swarms to robotic soldiers, these systems operate at speeds beyond human capability. But here's the catch. Once deployed, there's no pause button. Consider this. These machines don't feel fear, don't hesitate, and don't question orders. They calculate, execute, and persist until their mission is complete.
Just like any mobile device these days, it has cameras and sensors, and just like your phones and social media apps, it does facial recognition. Inside here is 3 grams of shaped explosive. This is how it works.
And more recently, it seemed inevitable we were on a course to mass-produce a new class of merciless, autonomous weapons which use algorithms to decide who to kill.
So, what will really happen when AI gets to decide who lives and who dies? We've witnessed the fallout when algorithms do fail. Biased facial recognition, wrongful arrests, and social media censorship, just to name a few. Now imagine those same flawed algorithms controlling lethal weapons. What would happen if AI gets it wrong? Let's even take that thought a step further. What happens when militarized AI, weapons, and systems aren't exclusive to governments? AI lacks loyalty. It doesn't serve a country. It serves the highest bidder, or worse, whoever can seize control. The real danger isn't just that AI will change warfare. It's that warfare may no longer need humans at all.
Now, I said this was big. Why? Because we are thinking big. Watch. A $25 million order now buys this. Enough to kill half a city. The bad half.
Target acquired. Permission to engage unnecessary.
Thousands of my fellow researchers agree. We have an opportunity to prevent the future you just saw, but the window to act is closing fast.
The veil is lifting, and this has only been a small piece of the puzzle. OSP. This is huge. Stay tuned.